Thanks, Dennis. You still there for the next one, 5.3, which is the Taupo Turangi Water Network renewals.
Thank you, Your Worship. This is the second tranche of renewals for this current financial year. We got some pretty good tenders this time around. I think there was 5 tenders from memory. Came within the engineer's estimate. This particular tenderer hasn't done any work in Taupo before. He's just completing a similar type of contract for Matamata Piako. The staff have been in contact with Matamata Piako to see how it's been going, and they're more than happy with the work that they've been doing. This particular contractor is also on the Waikato LAS preferred health and safety contractors schedule as well. So we're more than happy to recommend acceptance of that tender. I'll take any questions.
So the due diligence on this particular, so you've run
Matamata Piako.
and that confirmed that.
Yes.
Good. Yep. All right, Councillor Park.
Dennis, I know that it wouldn't be our call, but do you know that CivTech are planning to employ locals, contractors or subbies as part of this?
They will be employing some subcontractors, but those contractors subcontractors will more than likely come from Hamilton. They're specifically in the drain laying field, so it's quite a specific area of expertise. Whether they engage any labouring staff, I'm not too sure.
Were any of the 5 tenderers local?
Yes, as local as you can call national companies that have offices based in Taupo.
Okay, thank you.
Councillor Jollins.
Sorry, these microphones. Just a quick question, Dennis. I noticed the range for the tenders is quite significant, with the lowest being one we're going with, and then I think the highest about 3 million.
Yes.
That's not any cause for concern for you that there was such a wide margin?
Not so much the wide margin between top and bottom. What we're pretty interested in is where the sort of 2 or 3 sit, and if they're reasonably close, then we're reasonably happy. In the current market conditions, I would expect people to be being a little bit cheeky with some of their pricing, and if they get something, they stand to make a lot of money.
Sure. Okay, no, it was just worth asking because it's quite a big margin. Thank you.
All right. Okay. So Dennis, you're very comfortable. There's a big contract, 1.2 million. To go into a new supplier, as it were.
Yes.
So, and you're confident that they'll complete the task. All right, recommendation there. Councillors, do you accept this tender?
I'll move.
Moved by Councillor Boddy, thank you. Seconded by Councillor Harvey. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against? Carried. Thanks, Dennis.